everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to record, well, kind of a different type of video. I had stated before in one of my previous videos that I actually downloaded a bingo card that I got from another diamond painter. So I had it in the back of my mind and I thought, you know what, I really want to do a bingo card. But then I started kind of feeling bad that, you know what, I should make my own. I mean, come on. So I was able to make my own bingo card, which I'm really excited to do. It's not an event or anything. I just want to do it to do something a little bit different, especially on my channel. I already have the 13 canvases I mentioned before that I want to complete for the year. I'm not too sure if they're on the bingo card because when I made the card, I kind of knew how I wanted designed. I just couldn't pick out, okay, what topics do I want? So I'm 100% transparency. I had AI help me randomize some of the topics and it's all diamond painting related. So after I randomized, I just picked random squares that I'm just going to put the topics, and I was able to make my bingo card. Now, this is the bingo card. I haven't printed it because, ooh, apologies, that's real bright. Sorry, I think it was the white screen. I just designed it real quick in Canva because I always use that program for everything. And I just got the topics and put them in the different squares, as you can see. And blue is because, well, blue is my favorite color. And the free space, of course, is a little diamond. And as you can see, the first one is Magic Portal. I don't know if I have a canvas with it. Well, actually, I do. My crystal. Oh my goodness, I already forgot the name of it. The crystal painting that it has a UFO taking a diamond. There's actually a little portal in it that's showing like diamonds in the background. It's really cool now that I think about it. Yeah, it fit for Magic Portal. Next one is Desert Sunset. I'm really gonna have to check in my collection. Fox's Snow. I do have that canvas, but I'm not too sure if I would work on that one. Crystal Ball. I believe I do have a canvas that has a lady actually holding a crystal ball. No, apologies. It's a Christmas canvas of a young girl with, well, it's kind of a crystal ball / snowball. Kind of could work. Next one, Sunbeam Trees. Oh, I have a whole bunch of canvases with trees that have, well, trees and the sun breaking through it. I'm not too sure if I have one in my 13 I picked, but I think my one landscape, apologies, it keeps going out of focus. My one landscape has trees with the sunbeam. When I get to that point, I'll show it, or I'm actually, when I start working on it. Next one, Koi Pond. This one, I don't have any. Little fun fact about me, fish kind of freak me out. So, especially big fish. So I don't own a koi pond, but if I look around, maybe. But I know for sure I don't have that. Random square. Next one, Snowy Village. I do have a canvas that has that. Moonlight. Ooh, I definitely have a lot of moon canvases. Orchid Branch. I believe my Moonlight. Oh, that's funny. It's right next to it. Has a flower branch reaching down. I think it's orchid, but I'm not too sure. But I've unboxed it before, I believe. I think that one might fit. Northern Lights. Oh my goodness, I have so many canvases that have the, I was gonna say AB lights, but that's not what it is. Northern Lights across the sky. River Rapids. I'm thinking more like a running stream or a really, you know, apologies. Ooh, apologies. Sorry. I think a raging river would work, but not too sure. And I know I have a couple canvases of that, but I'm not too sure. Peacock, I really want to purchase one because I really love some of the diamond paintings I've seen with that main focal point, but I haven't purchased yet. So when I have, maybe I'll do it for the card. Maybe. Black Cat, I mean, come on. All my canvases pretty much have a cat. And I do have several canvases that are featured as a black cat. I think one of my 13 I picked has a black cat. I can double check. Tiger Portrait. Oh, I'll be honest. I think that one's kind of a cheat. The current canvas I'm working on for January, it's a tiger. So, and it's walking through the water, but it kind of looks like a portrait because it's top of its head and its body. So to me, I think of it as a portrait. Next one is lava volcano. Yeah, I have a canvas with that, but I don't believe I've unboxed it. I think. Next one, fairy house. Yeah, I have a canvas that has a fairy hanging around a house. I think that would count. Honeybee autumn. And I just noticed I misspelled honeybee. Apologies for that. I'm not too sure if the canvas needs to have a honeybee or it's with autumn. Because when I think of honeybee, I was thinking of the color. You know, like the nice honey color. So that might work. Forest Dream Catcher. That one, I know I don't have a dream catcher painting. I'm going to have to look into that one. Wizard Tower, I think I might. Maybe. I'll get back to that one. Next one, I believe it's the last row. Yep, Rose Bouquet. Oh, of course, I have one of those. I have a lot of florals, and some of them does have a rose bouquet in it. So that one, it's not a problem. Starry Nebula, another one. I have a lot of paintings that have a lot of space design, stars, and all of that. Secret Garden. I have one canvas that, it's a Diamondart canvas. It's called Poet's Retreat. It makes me think of a secret garden, but I'm not too sure if I would complete that one because it's a square and it's kind of big. But again, I'll get back to you on that one. Panda Bear. Yep, I have a canvas that has a panda on it. Excuse me. Witch's Broom. I do have several canvases that have witches on it. Oh, well, no. Well, that's what I'm trying to think of. Whether if I should put my whips included with this or all new starts. I think I should include my whips as well. I'm not too sure. Well, I didn't see any rules or anything with the bingo card. I just wanted to make a bingo card. So technically, it's up to my design. And of course, I put my little signature. Reason being, when I'm thinking of Witch's Broom, I'm thinking of, oh goodness, Magic in the Sky, I believe it's called. The Orloa painting of the young witch flying on the broom. I'm not too sure if I can complete that one for this, but I do know I have a couple other witches canvases. I think they might have brooms, but I'll have to check. So yeah, so this is my little random bingo card. I was thinking of making kind of a bingo card that has a theme, meaning like one that's all florals or anything like that, but I kind of like that it was randomized and just different, that it wasn't just a specific theme. And I do know I have several of these canvases, so I just have to be working on it throughout the year. So at the end of the year, we can check to see if I got a bingo. I don't know, I think it's kind of fun. If this wonderful little bingo card I made, if y'all are interested in it, just let me know in the comments below. I'll probably put a link on it in the description. So if you're curious on a copy for you, so if you're interested in, you know, working on a bingo card, I'm more than happy to share. It's just, it was just a super random design that I thought, you know what, I'll make my own bingo card. And I don't have it printed because I just designed it. I didn't even think of printing it because I don't really have a good printer. But if I were to print it, it's going to be black and white. So right now I made it blue to show it. So I'm actually going to put this aside because my hand is, I should have figured out not to be holding it. And the Pocahontas canvas, I just wanted a background because I felt bad that it was just, you know, no color. This is the canvas I'm going to start in next month for the wonderful folklore event. I'm super excited. She already kitted up and goes. So I'm really excited to start this canvas. So yeah, just let me know if you all really like the bingo idea. And as I stated, just let me know in the comments below. If you're interested in a copy of it, I'll make sure to put a link so you're able to access and download it. And you can make, you know, working on whatever canvases you want to do the bingo. I honestly would like to see everyone's, you know, whoever, oh, apologies for that. My cat's not happy. I closed the door. And apologies, what was I saying? Oh, I did make the Facebook group, so I need to put the hyperlink again, because if any of y'all wonderful viewers, thank you so much for that, wish to also, take part in the bingo card, I'm just curious to see what everyone's working on, and I'll be able to provide updates to y'all, whichever canvas I decide to work on which square. Hopefully all of this makes sense to y'all, because is just idea I kept hearing floating around, and I thought, yeah, I want to do the bingo card too, because out of curiosity, and just so I can have a little more fun, and I can kind of organize myself a little bit on what canvas I'm going to work on to complete. Then I really, really love playing bingo. I really want to win. Or actually get a line, actually. And it's just a fun event. There's no prizes or anything. It's just, just good old-fashioned diamond painting fun. So, yeah, and I really hope y'all enjoyed this idea as well, because I know I am more than ready to start on it. Oh my goodness. And mostly I'm ready to start on this canvas. Oh, it's so cute. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like, comment, and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we love to do. I don't know if I should put an emoji. Is there a bingo card emoji? I don't think so. Maybe? If you spot a bingo card emoji, you can put it in the comments below. I'd really appreciate it. If there isn't a bingo card emoji, it's just any flower emoji, because Pocahontas has flowers and leaves behind her. Mostly because I love emojis, and also it allows me to know that you all were kind enough to watch the video to the end. Thank you so much for that. And I just like seeing emojis. Mostly because I like emojis. And again, thank you for your time, and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.